Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today, I'll be walking you through the X22. The X22 is built for those looking for the best. Whether you're behind the boat, in the cockpit, or at the helm, the performance is nothing short of incredible. Simply put, the X22 is perfected at every touch point. The X22 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system. Simply select a rapid surf preset and the X22 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. Or take wave customization to the next level and switch over to the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. New for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding on the X22, cut your wait time in half with the optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain your ballast in about 4 minutes. The X22 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to elevate your experience in the boat. And for a superior drive, upgrade your X22 with the most powerful stern thrusters on the market. It's able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. MasterCraft's stern thruster is an incredible feature for tight docking and quicker rider pickups. The thruster control is integrated into the throttle knob, and it's incredibly easy to maneuver. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. Customers have come to love the ergonomics of the X22's patented transom lounge seats. An optional footrest can be added to take lounging to the next level. And with built-in storage in the transom walkthrough, you get an additional stowaway spot for vests and ropes. The X22 continues to impress in the cockpit. With seating for up to 16, the X22 has plenty of space for your crew. The U-shaped seating is perfect for entertaining, and the cockpit also offers extensive underseat storage and a built-in cooler location. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Keep your crew cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. No need to shy away from those rich colors that fit your custom design. The X22 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area. These holders were intentionally placed under the gunnel to keep phones safe and out of direct sunlight. Even better, all 4 of the phone holders can be upgraded with wireless charging. Packed with Klipsch audio, you and your crew can enjoy the highest quality acoustic entertainment on the X22. Standard with our advanced audio package, the X22 has 6 cockpit speakers spread throughout the boat for an immersive experience. Upgrade to a premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer for extra bass. The X22 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use redesigned clamping board racks. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards, the most storage in the industry. The Z8 and Z10 towers can be customized with colored inlays to show off your style and tie your design together. To elevate your ride, load your tower up with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The X22 differentiates itself by providing a luxurious experience for the captain. The helm comes standard with a single screen setup, allowing you to fill ballast, select your favorite wave setting, and crank up that music at your fingertips. Or upgrade to a dual screen dash with a tower camera to take your helm views to the ultra premium level. Below the dash, the X22 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone full of power. Standard telematics allow remote access to your X22's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The telematics box installed in your boat shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with all your service needs. And new for 2024, digital switching is integrated into telematics, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The X22's iconic pickle fork bow provides plenty of room for relaxation with built-in armrests for top-level lounging. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, storage runs throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. While the X22 was built with world-class performance in mind, it's It's also worth mentioning that our engineering team designed the hull to deliver a luxurious ride that sets a new standard in the towboat segment. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver the best on-water experience there is. With the X22, you also receive the option for a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with premium companies to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor, a brand that is famous for hand-building race car engines, is the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. Our engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the X22. If you're looking for an unforgettable premium towboat experience, the X22 is right for you. For more information, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.